Hi everyone, it's Kathie Ryan here in Bundaberg, Queensland, and you see before you a 20 by 16 centimetre, 20 by 16 inch or 50 by 40 centimetre canvas which I've put some white paint over. It's pre-loved and there's a bit of blue stain coming through from a previous pour, which is okay because I'm going to swipe, and if the blue does come through it'll be quite alright by me. I don't mind it at all. So I've got orange, red, yellow, white and black. I'm going to swipe with the black. So I've got silicone in all the colours except the black, and I might make it just that little bit different where I'm only going to put red and yellow down the bottom part here. Yellow, yeah, I'll put the yellow right over. And orange, touched it with the cup, that's okay. Orange on this part. Oh, that might be quite nice. And I'll just put a little bit extra white on. Hodgepodge of colours, very pretty, and black of course, straight down the middle because I'm going to do a centre swipe. More black here. Just rinse this off quickly. And wiping down this other way. Goodness gracious. No barking! Hey! Never listens to me. And why should she? Nobody else does either. Right, so that's quite pretty. Right. Just dry my hands off and then give it a little tilt. The recipes for the paints and the pouring medium you'll find down below underneath the video. And there's also a link there to my Facebook group, which is Australia Art Dreaming. You're more than welcome to come and join us. Parking, please. Yes, you. Oh, very nice. Very bright. Just going to bring it back to the middle a little bit. Right. I'm happy, happy. And I'm just going to torch it. Give it a little heat up and see what happens. Wow, how pretty is that? I think I'll just leave this the way it is and tap along the edge there a little bit. This end looks good. And I'll come around and just see if that edge is okay, which it does look that way. And that's excellent. I'm going to just leave that. That is so pretty. And I'm going to bring you down to have a look and see what you think. This is what I've been looking at. Got a lot of cells. And I like the way the red and the yellow and the orange and yellow have been separated. I think that was a good idea. Very pretty. I hope you've enjoyed watching this. The scent is lovely. If you haven't already subscribed, please do so, and you'll find a little bell beside that word and you can click on that and be notified when I put up the next videos. Please give this one the thumbs up. I greatly appreciate when people give me the thumbs up. And have a nice day, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.